Welcome back to my channel Tech W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. Today we will be see an example of a screen flow in Salesforce. So in this example, if opportunity is created on account, then event will be created automatically. I will create event through create record element. So newly created event assigned to the owner of account automatically. So let's jump to the Salesforce potential. So friends, this is my Salesforce potential. I created a screen flow. So first I will create a screen for opportunity because I am creating a record of opportunity. So in this screen I putting name, stage name and close date because if creating a opportunity, the three field will be mandatory: name, stage name and close date. Name is a data type string. It is a required field. Stage name it is a fixed value. So I will get the fixed value from choice set fixed value. So in the choice we will be create a choice set fixed value, and choice set fixed value will be get the select option from a stage of opportunity object. After that we create a close date. Close date is a date type field. All three fields are required. So after creating a screen, I will be create a variable of record ID. So here I will be create a record ID. It is a store of the account ID of value. So that it will be passed in the hours of the flow. So after creating a screen, we will create a record of opportunity. So account ID, it is a lookup field between opportunity and account. Here we will pass the record ID in the value and field will be account ID. And name value will be passed name, stage name, and that is a close date. Close date value will be passed the close date that is coming from screen. Then done. After that, actually in this scenario, if event is created, then owner of account ID will pass automatically. So we'll get the account here. So after creating opportunity, we'll get an account. So write the name of the label get account, then select the object name account. Here it is a field name is your account ID, this one, and equal to record ID. Pass the record ID value. Done. After getting the account ID, I will create the record of event. So now I am creating an event. So in the element, select create record. So now I am creating a record of event. So create event record. Create event record. Select one. Use separate resource. In the object, I am creating an event. So I will select event. Then there is a field and there is a value. So if you creating a event, there are some fields required like a start date time, pass the kit. In the start date time, you need to create a resource variable start date time. Tell the name of API, data type date and time. Default value I will put a month, day and year. So month 06, day 21, year 2023, 2023, comma and 530 A. Then done. So I am passing the value start date, then in date time, value will be coming from variable. So I am creating a variable API name in date time, data type date time, month, day, year 06, 21, 2023, comma 630. In date time will be in the future date. So I will pass the date 28. Then done. So I am putting 24 6 6 2023 5:30 a.m. for the in day time. So in day time in is a future time, and then done. I get a start date, in date, and there is owner ID field is mandatory in event owner ID. So owner ID will come from get account dot owner ID. And what ID? It is a mandatory field. What ID in the event? It is a lookup relationship between event and account. So what ID? In the what ID we will pass the record ID, because record ID store the account ID of account. After that there is a field subject. I will pass a subject line. Subject. So I am creating a subject variable, new resource, create a variable, API name, event, subject. And data type will be text, and value will be, I am writing subject for create event from account, from subject for create event. I am passing the default value here. Then done. So I am passing the value of start date, end date, owner ID, what ID, and subject to create a event. Then done. Then match the arrow. Then save it. After saving this flow, I will launch this flow from debug. So I'm going to the account and opening any of the account. In this account, there are two event already. I'm getting another one. This one. So in this account, there is no event here. This is an event. There is no event here. And in the related thing, there is no opportunity. So I will get this record of account, copy this ID, go to the event and debug. In the record ID, I am passing the record ID of account, passing the record ID of account, then run. It is asking opportunity to create a name. So I am creating W3 web OPT, stage name. First I am choosing first option, and close date I am choosing 22, and next. So one record has been created, opportunity. Here you can see owner ID, subject, what ID, everything is passed. So now going to the record of account. So this account ID I have passed in the debug. So now I am refreshing this record. So as you can see, one event has been created in this account ID, and now going to the related list, one opportunity has also created W3 Web OPT. So if you go to the event owner ID, it is already assigned to the Vijay Kumar. It is a account owner ID, and the account name, it is also selected. So try to do from your side in your org. If you getting anything issue, please write in comment box, and don't forget to subscribe and check out my channel.